Welcome to the radiology module designed to simplify radiology reporting, improve workflow efficiency, and assist with structured documentation. In this video, we'll walk through the complete workflow of using the radiology reporting system from patient registration to final report generation. To begin, open the radiology module from the dashboard. You can quickly search for an existing patient or create a new patient profile by entering patient details including name, age, referral information, and clinical history. Once the patient profile is selected, the reporting workspace opens automatically. Now select the appropriate study type such as chest, abdomen, or head, etc. Once the study template is selected, the structured reporting interface loads automatically. Give the voice dictation and it populates the findings in appropriate sections, and the platform organizes findings into dedicated sections. You can pause or add repeatedly to complete the report. Once dictation is completed, generate the impression with AI assistance. The system helps maintain structured and standardized report with complete differential diagnosis. The AI assistant may also provide intelligent prompts and structured suggestions during the reporting process to improve completeness and reporting consistency. There is quality analysis QA check with clickable options to complete and refine the report and smoothen any pitfalls or overlooked segments. Also, a second opinion can be generated to further analyze and understand the nuances of the findings for clinical discussion. It can also be incorporated in the final report. You can review all generated findings at any stage and make edits whenever required. Every section remains fully customizable under radiologist supervision and control. The platform also supports automatic generation of clinical impressions and structured summary reports based on the documented findings. Once the examination is complete, carefully review the generated report and confirm all findings. The finalized report can then be exported, printed, shared, or integrated directly into the radiology workflow system. There is Patient Pack, which can be generated, which details the patient information, referring doctor note, instructions for follow-up imaging, and can be downloaded and shared in soft or hard copy. This tool enables faster reporting, detailed improved documentation quality, better workflow management, and seamless radiology reporting. AI-powered radiology workflow designed for smarter ultrasound documentation, faster reporting, and structured radiology excellence.